Welcome back. This is Swayam Dhawan again from Askmefunnels membership area, and in this video, we are going to talk about how you can use LinkedIn to acquire high ticket clients for your digital marketing agency. Guys, LinkedIn is basically a most used marketing tool, you can say that most used business based social media marketing tool which you can use to acquire the high ticket clients, because the reason is that on the LinkedIn the audience of the LinkedIn is of the people who are into the businesses, who are into the highly skilled jobs. All right, so most of them are highly skilled people, and they understand the business, they understand the marketing, they understand the growth according to the upcoming years. All right, so basically LinkedIn will actually help you to get more and more clients for your agency without spending single dollar on advertisements. All right, so in this video I'm going to share you basically the high converting LinkedIn outreach scripts which you can use in your profile setup for your profile setup, and it will help you to understand how to search your prospects in your LinkedIn account, and what should be the messages and what should be the messages sequence you should send them to book an appointment with you and at last close them as a client. All right, so basically these LinkedIn outreach scripts will help you to generate uh, high ticket leads organically via LinkedIn. All right, so what you need to do is just scroll down a little bit and click on the download LinkedIn outreach swipe file over here. Once you are done with that, you will get redirected to this swipe file LinkedIn blueprint. Here you would be able to understand how to find your ideal client. All right, there is a step-by-step process available, and after that you would be able to understand how to find optimize your profile to get more and more conversions. And at last, these are the outreach scripts available: the first message, second message, third message, fourth, fifth, and the booking, how you can book your appointment using the calendar. So I am not going to dive deep into these because this is a swipe file, and if you want to the complete step-by-step instructions how you can use these outreach swipe file, we have the upcoming training on the mastering agency secrets over here. And if you are here over here, it will be coming soon. And if you are the pro or VIP member of the Ask Me First membership area, you would be able to grab these complete training how you can use the LinkedIn outreach scripts. All right, so for now we have provided you the complete scripts. You can use the instructions available in this LinkedIn blueprint. Just take the action right now, right here, and in the next 30 minutes you would be able to completely optimize your profile on the LinkedIn. And with our plug and play scripts too, for outreach scripts, you would be able to close the high ticket clients. All right, so this is a basic swipe file introduction I have provided you, and for the more details stay tuned with us, since we are coming with the most important mastering agency secrets training under our Ask Me Once membership area, and where we are going to provide you the different methods we have used for our agency, since we have closed around 150 plus clients for messenger marketing chatbots in 2019 alone for the one services, and we have generated $600,000 for our messenger marketing chatbot services using a single sales funnel. All right, so stay tuned with us, and in our upcoming training you would be able to get complete step-by-step instructions. All right, so use these swipe file, optimize your LinkedIn profile, and start outreach your prospects from today onwards. Take action, and soon you would be able to scale and grow your digital marketing agency. All right, Thanks for watching this video, and in the next video we are going to showcase you some more awesome bonuses and trainings for the Ask Me Funnels membership area. Thanks for watching.